Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. At the moment, no change in expectations. We still seem to see a little bit of downside pressure here, and the expectations haven't changed. I'm still in well, my perspective is still that we are in this wave 2 correction to the downside. This is unfolding as an ABC structure. The idea is that as long as we stay below the B wave, which is at 1930 here, this swing high which was made on the 20th of July, that we are going to see lower prices. Yeah, this is the level above which I would possibly change my perspective. But until we have a fairly complete downside structure, I will need to see a break above 1930 to really assume and believe that price is already bottomed. So at the moment, my view is we go lower. Yeah, even though it is brutally boring and just a very, very drawn out correction here sideways. Because I see this still as a fairly incomplete downside structure, I still see prices to come down lower, right? Any movement here to the upside is corrective, and therefore I don't really see this as complete. Also, looking at the subwaves, it looks like we still need this C wave to complete, then a wave 4 and a wave, so the C wave of wave 3 to complete, then a wave 4, then a wave 5. Ideally, I'm looking for the area around 1780 to 1828 to complete this. Yeah, between the 50% FIB level and the 61.8, so between the 50% FIB level and the golden ratio, basically. This would be ideal. Overall, what I'm watching for is possibly here close to 1830 for the C wave, and then close to 1780 for the fifth wave. So close to 1830 for the C wave of wave 3. Yeah, obviously then we get a small bounce. As soon as we have that, I am going to be able to make it much more precise here, you know, this wave 5 target. Yeah, so I need that third wave complete, I need that fourth wave to complete to really be able to give you a very accurate price target for wave 5. Until then, downside structure is obviously still intact. Yeah, no change. I'm still watching for lower prices, and again, as long as 1930 is not broken to the upside, downside pressure should remain. The only small change I might make, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, is really here looking at the microstructure and looking at this B wave. Yeah, because this B wave might actually still be unfolding. I already assumed it might be finished here on this 26th of July high. However, it might unfold as a triangle just because it is really brutally boring sideways action. So that is a change I might make to really see this as still unfolding or completed as a triangle. But overall, downside structure, it doesn't really matter so much. Yeah, I mean, is this B wave still unfolding or not? We can't really predict that super, you know, we don't know, right? We just assume. But the thing is, because this is so boring and just moving sideways, I actually assume the B wave might still be running. Or maybe it's just finished if it follows through to the downside now. But this here, yeah, what we've seen here in the last few days and over the weekend isn't really impulsive C wave quality. So it looks like the B wave is still unfolding. Yeah, besides that, not much more to add. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.